Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time joining us, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any update. Going straight into the news today, Funny Face is in the news. Yes, the Kaswa Van Dam, the Swagon Papa, is back in the news. Now, Funny Face, who has been trending these past couple of weeks for the wrong reasons, has finally gotten social media buzzing for the right reasons. Now, Funny Face, as we all might know, has had issues with Kumawood comedian Lil Wayne, as well as his baby mama and ex-wife. Now, these issues caused him to turn to social media so that he could express himself, but led to a falling out with his longtime best friend and sponsor, Emmanuel Adebayor. But there is finally good news because Adebayor has finally replied to Funny Face. Now, Togolese footballer Emmanuel Adebayor has finally forgiven his best pal Funny Face after information went viral that he had unfollowed him on social media. Now, Funny Face, since his breakup with his baby mama, had gained popularity on social media for the numerous rants which prompted his Togolese best friend to unfollow him on all social media platforms after his admonitions had fallen on the wrong side of the actor's ear. Now, on UTV's Showbiz, the comic actor rendered an apology to his bosom friend on set after realizing his fault. Now, the host Ama Mcbrown and other personalities present were moved by Funny Face's apology and also appealed to Adebayor to forgive him for his wrongdoings. Finally, information reaching us has it that Adebayor had forgiven his best friend. It was a very bad moment for Funny Face when Adebayor unfollowed him on all social media platforms. He went into hibernation as soon as his pillar shunned him following his most recent social media rant that seemingly got Adebayor very angry. Now, Adebayor, in his most recent post on the Instagram story, says he has forgiven Funny Face and will always show him support regardless of what has happened between them. He wrote, and I quote, "I promise you one thing is to be there for you. No matter what is going on, I am not going to change. I'm here for you." So yes guys, that is the latest news that we have. Adebayor has finally replied and it appears that he has forgiven Funny Face. Tell us what you think in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now, I have a compilation of some of the good moments from their relationship. Watch and enjoy.
Yeah, you know what it do? It's me, Mr. Happiness, aka Toshiba. Biggest surprise of my life. I was home chilling today. Oh, guess what?
Yeah. I just say, oh.
Come with his entourage. That's not DJ. Oh, speak English.
Yeah. It's English.
Okay, you know what it do? It's about time. Listen, let me tell you something. I have my manager in the building. Yo, manager, say something.
Yeah, you know how we do.
Yeah.
Chilling with the king.
Yeah.
Now we're going to the project and everything will be nice because I have to manage him. We need some money, man.
Yeah.
We need some dough in the system.
How much are you sending from? Which guy are you ordering for me? Is it a Rolls-Royce?
Anything you want to do.
I want a Rolls-Royce Phantom.
The Phantom.
Yeah.
Not the Phantomas, but the Phantom.
Phantom.